Alright guys, I want to provide you a super quick keyframing technique that you can use on literally anything. So here we are in Premiere. As you can see, I have a little text graphic made. We're going to click on our graphic, come up here to vector motion, and create a scale keyframe. We're going to jump ahead, somewhere around 12 frames will be fine, create another keyframe, jump back to our first one, and bring this to 0. Now we have a quick scale animation. But as you can see, it's coming from the middle of our frame, and the reason for this is because our anchor point is set to the center of the frame. So if we click and drag on this property here and just bring this to the center of our graphic, and then come up to position and bring this back to where we want it, now as you can see, it's scaling out from the center of our graphic rather than the center of the frame. Okay. Now is where the fun really starts. So we're gonna go ahead, highlight these keyframes, right click, ease in, right click, ease out. Now I'm going to use plus or minus on the keyboard to zoom in on this window. And we'll click on this little drop down arrow here. And while our keyframes are highlighted, I'm gonna grab this little end notch and we're gonna drag it in. And as you can see, we can actually drag up or down while we're clicking and holding. And if you drag down a little bit, now what you're gonna see this is gonna do is just give a little pop at the top of the animation. And this is something that I actually stumbled on by complete accident, but I really like it and I use it all the time. So here is just without, if we were to just click and drag. That looks fine, not bad. But if we give it that little pop at the top, just has a little bit more flair to it, I guess. I don't know. I really like it, but I'm gonna let you guys go. That's all I wanted to share for today. Let me know if you found this helpful. The best way to do that is by giving the video a like. It really helps us out. And if you like this kind of content, these quicker style tutorials, and you wanna stay tuned for more, the best way to do that is through subscribing and clicking that bell. Thanks guys, I'll talk to you in the next one.